Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys extremely well. Please subscribe my channel, share, like and comment. So today we are discussing English pedagogy. So let's start. So first question is, there are four different kinds of reading. So option is searching, discovering, scanning, extensive. Second one is pleasure, information, details, skimming. Third one is skimming, scanning, discovering, searching. Fourth one is skimming, scanning, extensive and intensive. And the answer is option number 4, skimming, scanning, extensive, then intensive. So next question. A good test on reading comprehension will have a question. So option is that test the textual knowledge thoroughly. Second is that encourage learners to write answer without error. Third one is that test influence interpretations and evaluation beside comprehension. Fourth one is that test the textual knowledge thoroughly. And the answer is option number third, that test influence in interpretation and evaluation beside comprehension. So third one is a correct answer. Next question. To develop language functions, teaching speaking skill of younger children would include. Option is debate, debates and declamation, telephonic chat. Third one is PowerPoint presentation show. Fourth one is greeting informal request asking for personal information. And the answer is option number 4th, greeting informal request asking for personal information. Next question. To gathering skill will reading is. Option is note making, note taking, analysis, evaluating. And the answer is option number 2nd, note taking is the correct answer. Next question. There are 44 sounds in English. Out of these, how many sounds are vowels and how many are consonant respectively? Option is 5, 39, 22, 22, 20, 24, 10, 34. And the answer is option number 3rd, 20 to 24 is the correct answer. Next question. Language is a tool because. Option is it is used for processing idea, it is used for communication, it is used for thinking, it is used for conveying ideas. And the answer is option number 2nd, it is used for communication. So second is the correct answer. Next question. TBLT is second language teaching is. Option is tool based language teaching, task book language teaching, task based language teaching, task based language training. And the answer is option number 1, tool based language teaching. First is the correct answer. Next question. Content words are called, option is grammatical words, lexical words, empty words, none of the above. And the answer is option number second is the correct answer. Lexical words. Next question. Which one of the following does not affect the intonation? Does not affect. First is voice, pronunciation, tone, rhythm, loudness. And the answer is option number 4, loudness. Next question. During reading, if a student is piecing information together as they read a text, keeping track of that is happening, they are. Option is inferring, skimming, paraphrasing, then synthesizing. And the option correct answer is option number 4, synthesizing. Fourth one is a correct answer. Next question. Shreya, a teacher of class 4, asked the learners to complete the dialogue in the given boxes and then role play the same using their dialogues. She is developing. Option is speaking and writing skill, listening, writing, reading, speaking skill, listening and speaking skills. Fourth one is a reading and writing skills. And the answer is option number second, listening, writing, reading and speaking skills. So second is the correct answer. Next question. Diphthong are double consonant sound, vowel sounds, double vowel sounds, consonant sounds. And the answer is option number third, double vowel sounds is the correct answer. Next question. When a child learns a language naturally, without much practice, it is called. Option is language adaptation, language learning, language acquisition, language generalization. And the answer is option number third, language acquisition. Third is the correct answer. Next question. The communicative approach to teach English focus on. Option is strictly using the correct pronunciation of words, linguistic competence, person ability to use the language appropriately, then the practical of selected and graded structure pattern, the structural accuracy of the sentence. And the answer is option number second, linguistic competence plus ability to use the language appropriately. So next question, the second option is the correct answer. Next question. Cognitive is a doctrine that the dash can be involved the scientific investigation and even be made the object of study itself. Option is brain, mind, head, heart. And the answer is brain. First is the correct answer. Next question. A sight word is a vocabulary item. Option is that helps in judging the effectiveness of the author style, that the reading recognize and find the meaning on sight without a complicated analysis, that needs proper visual understanding of the context, then that is to be learned by heart. And the answer is option number second is the correct answer, that the reader recognize and finds meaningful on sight without a complicated analysis. So second is the correct answer. Next question. While writing one of the cohesive device uses option phrases, emphasis, adjective, preposition, and the answer is fourth one, preposition. 4 is the correct answer. Next question. Educators are YouTube to teach visual learners with video, podcast, for auditory learners, and interactive games for facile learners in a language class. Here, multimedia caters to individual. Option is learning style, authentic second language, language disability, linguistic difference. And the answer is option number 1, learning style. The first is a correct answer. Next question. What is the system of rules that governs how words can be meaning arranged to form phrases and sentence? Phoneme, language, syntax, morpheme. And the answer is option number 3, syntax. Next question. The phoneme, where a single word is associated with two or several related meaning, is known as, option is homonyms, homograph, polyseme, polyseme, then homon. And the answer is option number 3, polyseme. Third is the correct answer. Next question. According to NCF 2005, the position of English language is, option is official, global, second, then foreign. And the answer is option number 2 is the correct answer, global. Next question. A teacher for non-mother tongue language often face the problem of, option is reluctant and unmotivated learners, reluctant and motivated learners, students and unmotivated learners, studios and motivated learners. And the answer is option number 1, reluctant and unmotivated learners. So first is the correct answer. Next question. Learning a language is all dash dash process. Exclusive, inclusive, intensive, immediate. And the answer is option number 2, inclusive. Second is the correct answer. Next question. A Hindi speaking teacher gets posted in a primary school which is situated in a remote area of Rajasthan. Since she doesn't know the local language, she faced a lot of problems. She should. Option is try to get a posting to Hindi speaking area, focus on textbook or a source of standard Hindi, use a child language as a resource while teaching. Fourth one is encourage the community to learn standard Hindi. And the answer is option number third, use a child's language as a resource whole in teaching. So third is the correct answer. Next question. Constructive approach to language learning promotes. Option is a child-centered approach, classroom noise, a teacher-centered, fourth one, culture of silence. And the answer is option number first, the child-centered approach, constructive approach. Next question. A silent reading promotes mastery over listening, writing, speaking vocabulary. So silent reading is a promote, and the answer is option number 4, vocabulary. Fourth one is the correct answer. Next question. If a student is pressing information together as to read a text keeping track of what is happening, he or she is dash. And option is inferring, skimming, paraphrasing, synthesizing. So the answer is option number 4th, synthesizing. Fourth one is the correct answer. Next question. Problem of spelling error of the students can be easily solved through dictionary, textbook, dictation, teaching aids. And the answer is option number 3rd, dictation. Third is the correct answer. Next question. Tell question also refers to. Option is follow-up question, question tag, significant question, most important question. And the answer is option number 2nd, question tag. Second is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following literally means anecdotes? Option is detailed information, brief event and episodes, collection of evidence. And the answer is option number 3rd, brief event and episodes. So next question. Next question. Which of the next question. In remedial teaching, option is teaching is carried out continuously, teaching and testing is carried out. Third one is teaching of difficult topics is carried out. Fourth one is teaching, testing and reteaching are carried out. And the answer is fourth one, teaching, testing and reteaching are carried out. Fourth one is the correct answer. Next question. Next question. Two words have identical sound and spelling but not related in meaning. It is known as, and the option is homograph, plasimo, homophone, homon. So it means multiple meaning words, and the answer is option number fourth, homon, multiple meaning words. Next question. A mental block means, option is lack of interest, lack of opportunities, sorry, lack of opportunities, learning disability, all of these. And the answer is a mental block means lack of opportunities. So second is a correct answer. Next question. Note taking is done. Option is during extensive reference work, while writing an easy essay, during a lecture. Fourth one is while reading a review. And the answer is third one, during a lecture. So third is the correct answer. Next question. In mother tongue, learning habits are formed. Option is willingly, unconsciously, immediately, regularly. And the answer is second one, unconsciously. So second is a correct answer. Next question. Method or approaches to be adopted to teach a language are determined by, option is the aim of teaching the language, the scope of teaching the language, the syllabus of teaching in the language. Fourth one is none of these. And the answer is first, the aim of teaching the language. First is a correct answer. Next question. The main cause of learning disability is, option is emotional disturbance, behavioral disturbance, cerebral dysfunction. Fourth one is all of these. And the answer is option number all of these. So fourth one is a correct answer. Next question. The aim of prose teaching is to develop, first is critical thinking, comprehension ability, interest in reading, all of these. And the answer is option number fourth, all of these. So fourth one is a correct answer. Next question. A child said that chairman of the municipality was on leave. The teacher corrected him and asked him to use chairperson instead of chairman. The teacher was, option is showing gender biased, showing gender biasness. Second is using gender free language. Third one, having sensitive feeling. Fourth one is having divergent thinking. And the correct answer is using gender free language. So second is the correct answer. Next question. Listening, speaking, reading, writing are language skills. They are best learned. Option is when they are taught separately. Second is when they are given controlled practice. Third one is through textual practice. Fourth one is when they are taught in a integrated manner. So the answer is fourth one, when they are taught in an integrated manner. So fourth one is the correct answer. Next question. Next question. The correct sequence of the procedure of prose teaching is, option is, so the answer is second one. First is a preparation, then presentation, then recapitulation, then home assignment. So second is the correct answer. Next question. Language teacher to make learning meaningful can, and the option is measure the achievement of the learners, cover the syllabus in time. Third one is provide ample opportunity. Fourth one is promote rote learning, and the answer is third one, provide provide ample opportunities for the learners. So third one is a correct answer. Next question. Direct method of teaching English was evolved to overcome the problem of, option is substitution table method, translation grammar method. Third one is Dr. West's new method. Fourth one is bilingual method, and the answer is option number second, translation grammar method. So second is the correct answer. Next question. Kristen and Terrell are associated with, option is bilingual method, active learning, communicative language teaching, natural approach. So the answer is fourth one, natural approach. Fourth is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not true about the bilingual method? First option is it involves sandwich technique. It was developed by H.E. Palmer. Third one is it given equal importance to mother tongue and the target language. Fourth one is it puts emphasis on fluency and accuracy. And the answer is option number second is the correct answer. It was developed by H.E. Palmer. So this sentence is not true. So second is the correct answer. Next question. Next question. The teacher tells a story about animals. Children make animal noises every time they hear the name of the animal. It is, option is total physical response. Second is communicative language teaching. Third one is grammar translation. Fourth one is reading approach. And the answer is option number first, total physical response. So first is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following method of teaching cannot be used interchangeable with each other? Option is reference method, incidental method, direct method, collective method. And the answer is option number third, direct method. Third is a correct answer. Next question. Mother tongue influence can be effectively minimized in the classroom by, option is using the mother tongue more often. Second is giving examples from the mother tongue. Third one, giving a lot of exposure in the target language. Fourth one is giving input from the target language a single graded manner. And the answer is option number fourth, giving input from the target language in a single graded manner. So the fourth one is a correct answer. So next question. What is a task-based language learning? Option is a piece of work which enable learner to do an activity, a piece of works from the parents to do their children homework. Third one is a piece of activity from teachers to do in the classroom. Fourth one is a piece of work which exposed learner to language. And the answer is a piece of work which enable learner to do an activity. So first is a correct answer. Next question. The most important aspect of an effective language classroom is to provide learners with on opportunities to. Option is interact, interface, access, imitate. So the answer is first is interact. So first is the correct answer. Next question. A good teacher learning material means TLM can best. Option is be a source of entertainment. Second is help of teacher to transact material without any modification. Third one is help the learners acquire a language. Fourth one is facilitate the teaching learning process. So the answer is fourth one, facilitate the teaching learning process. So fourth one is a correct answer. Next question. Which approach emphasizes interact as the means and the goal of learning a language? Option is communicative oral, immersion, silent way. And the answer is first communicative. First is a correct answer. Next question. Iconic mode of learning is based on system of using. Option is variety of activities, symbols, image and diagrams, different types of graph. So the answer is fourth one, different types of graphs. So fourth one is the correct answer. Next question. Prediction as a sub skill is associated with first is reading, drafting, summarizing, note making. And the answer is first one, reading is the correct answer. Next question. Intensive reading stands for option is reading for enrichment of vocabulary, reading from pleasure, reading for developing literacy sensitivity. Fourth one is reading the text in part of details. So the answer is fourth one, reading the text in part of details. So fourth one is a correct answer. Next question. Decoding stands for option is despairing the sounds in the words and sentence, passing on a message to other, only recognizing the difference between sounds. Fourth one is failure to understand the given text. And the answer is first one, deciphering the sounds in words and sentence. Next question. Next question. Scanning is a reading activity which helps the learners to hash of the text. Option is drawing out information, enrich vocabulary, develop competence in the linguistic items, know the meaning of the words. And the answer is first, draw out information. Scanning is a reading activity which helps the learners to draw out information from the text. So first is a correct answer. Next question. Decorum is speaking English pretends to. Option is appropriate gesture, clarify and purity of style, correct grammatical use, voice quality. And the answer is appropriate gestures. First is a correct answer. Next question. Convention of writing include. So option is story ideas, proper pronunciation, imagination, good vocabulary. So the answer is second one, proper pronunciation. So second is a correct answer. Next question. If you are listening to the description of how to reach a specific location, then you are doing. Option is casual listening, focused listening, intensive listening, extensive listening. So the answer is of course third one, intensive listening. Next, third one is the correct answer. Next question. Global listening is not listening. Option is without being constrained by present question or task. Second is for specific information. Third one is at different level of comprehension. Fourth one is for improving recognition of spoken text. And the answer is global listening is not listening. So the answer is for specific information. So second is the correct answer. Next question. When listening to speech in English, sometimes we listen to basic unit of a sound, a symbol, a syllabus, and a words, then of the complete speech. Which method process can be described as? Option is bottom up approach, middle path approach, interactive model, top down approach. And the answer is obviously first one, bottom up approach. So first is a sound, then syllabus, and then words and speech. So bottom up approach. First is a correct answer. Next question. Learning in the new language multilingualism is. Option is a methodology, an asset, an interference, then burden. And the answer is second is an asset. Second is a correct answer. Next question. Little or not attention is given to pronunciation in dash method. Option is audiolingual, grammar translation, CLT and SLT. And the answer is Grammar translation. Second is the correct answer. Next question. When children first start to speak in sentences, their speech can be described as babbling, telegraphic, multilingual, except, exceptional, soft. And the answer is second one, telegraphic. So next question. Which is axial word? Is, might, the, love? And the answer is option number fourth one, love. Next question. A sight word is vocabulary item. And the answer is that the reader recognize and find meaningful on sight without a complicated analysis. So third one is the correct answer. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please